Welcome to the new web-based graphical user interface or GUI for our MGate G2 serial to Ethernet Modbus gateway. The new WebGUI is designed to streamline the key functions that you will need for daily operations, including configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting. If you have not used the MGate WebGUI before, it's alright. This tutorial will equip you with the knowledge to master the new WebGUI in no time. How can you get an overview of the device information and key messages on the MGate? As you log into the WebGUI of the MGate, a dashboard will present an aggregate of essential information including device status and information. You'll see MAC address and firmware version, network information including the IP address, and important events. What's even more helpful is the ability to quickly check the system log for any recent critical events. For example, you can check if anyone attempted to log into the device and if the authentication failed. Click on View More to swiftly navigate to the Diagnostics section for further details. What should you check first if my SCADA system isn't reading data from the meters? Check the Protocol dashboard, which displays key information such as the basic system topology of the MGate, the communication protocols and their roles, including both client and server, and the current communication statuses. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of the system. You can also navigate to the Diagnostics section for more details. How do I make sure my Modbus serial device can communicate with the MGate? Let's check the serial port settings page. Here, you can configure the serial parameters for the device. For Modbus serial communication to function correctly, the serial parameters of the serial device and the MGate serial port must match. Simply click the Edit button to change the serial parameters for a specific serial port. The Edit port window will then open. Select and fill in the required Modbus serial parameters, then click Save. The entire setup can be completed in just a few seconds. How can you make Modbus protocol conversion work across different topologies? A Modbus gateway facilitates communication by converting between Modbus TCP and Modbus RTU/ASCII protocols. You can configure the MGate for Modbus protocol conversion on the Protocol Settings page. The MGate offers two modes, Transparent Mode and Agent Mode. Simply click the Edit button to select the mode that best fits your application. You can also adjust the topology based on your specific setup requirements. In addition, you can configure Modbus routing to define how communication is directed to connected devices, as well as priority control, an advanced setting available on this page. How can you secure your MGate through configuration and ensure the correct services are enabled? With cybersecurity threats on the rise, a robust security setup is essential. The MGate G2 WebGUI includes all the security settings that you need. All security services are listed on the main security page. Use the toggle button next to the services to enable or disable them. We recommend enabling only the essential services that you need and disabling unused services and ports to reduce risks. For instance, enable the SNMP agent service if your MGate G2 device is monitored by network management software. Remember to enable at least one of the services Web Console or Moxa service to be able to manage the MGate G2 setup. If you want to configure more granular security settings, you can also add rules to the connection allow list for accessing specific IPv4 and IPv6 networks. Check user certificates for system identification. Customize your login messages and control the login mechanism. What should you do if your Modbus TCP client is unable to receive a response from a device, or if the data is incorrect when communicating through the MGate? The Diagnostics page brings together all key functions in one place, making it easy to troubleshoot issues quickly. For example, all device events are recorded. You can go to System Log, then click on Log View to check all the recorded events on the MGate. You can also monitor the device's status by using the Traffic Monitor, Network Monitor, and Serial Port Monitor tabs to check the status of each port. In addition, we provide a ping test tool to help you perform basic troubleshooting. Our MGate MB3000 G2 WebGUI streamlines your overall experience using simple navigation and clear information, making managing your MGate G2 serial to Ethernet Modbus gateway both intuitive and efficient. Start using the new WebGUI today and make the most of your MGate MB3000 G2 device.